And I said, just put some dressing on. No, I need to know a measurement. And I'm like, just sprinkle some on top, like just have it for taste. She's like, no, Baron, I need to know a meal measurement. And I said, I'm not going to give you that because I don't want you to live like that. Eating tiny amounts of food and having tiny amounts of, I can have, a teaspoon of this on top, or like, it's craziness, because that's not a healthy way to live long term mentally. You'll end up throwing the baby out with the bathwater and being so frustrated. If you have to eat tiny portions and you don't feel full and you feel like you're being totally restricted and you can't have anything and you have tiny meals, I just don't think that's sustainable at all. But what I want to talk to you about today is the fact that when you eat healthy, it doesn't mean you have to eat less. So eat healthy, not less.